Okay, so we have our column layout pages, parent pages ready to go. Now we can apply some of, you can also apply some of the parent pages to the existing document. So in this case, we have the B2 column layout. We can actually apply it to, right now it's just set to the A3 column layout. We can apply it to the document by clicking. We can click on the left parent page and bring it down to page 4 and drop it, and now you see that the B parent is now indicated in the document page. We can do the same thing with the right page. We can bring it down, and now instead of the A parent being indicated, this page 4 and 5, the spread is now in the B parent layout. You can also choose the none if you have no formatting that you want to incorporate into your pages. In this case, the cover would be a really good way to use the none parent page. So it's going to have no formatting, and so all we want to do is click on the none icon and bring it down to page 1, and now we'll see that there's no, you can see the icon is just blank. So there's no page numbers, there's no headers, there's nothing like that. So that's a good use of moving and using the icons and changing the parent pages in your document. You can also move pages around if you wanted to. Say you wanted to move pages 6 and 7 ahead of the content in front of what was 4 and 5. You can just click on both icons and move them, and when you move them, there's a line that shows up, and that's saying that those pages are going to be following the pages that are in front of it. So you can do that. You can also delete pages. Say we don't want 6 and 7 anymore. We just hit the pages that we don't want, and we can click on the delete pages, but we don't want to do that quite yet. You can also add pages. So if you go up to insert pages in the options, we're going to add 6 pages to this document, and we want them to be added on after page 4. So we're going to go insert after page 4 in this field. And we're going to choose none for the parent page. So we're going to click OK. And now we have a whole bunch of pages that follow, and now our document is 14 pages. Okay, so now we're going to add more content to our document. So we're going to double click on page 2, and that brings us to where we're going to add our content. We're going to go to File, Place, and we're going to click on Article 1, and then you're going to hit Command or Control on your keyboard, and we're going to choose Article 2, the Graphic 1, the Graphic 2, and we're going to bring in all 4 of these files to place in our document. So then we're going to go ahead and click Open, and we have to remember that we've loaded the first 2 articles are the first things, and the images are the third and the fourth. So we know that the first article is going here on the left-hand page. So we're going to click, and it places automatically in our placeholder text frame. Then you notice that the preview of the pointer is another article. So we're going to go back over to page 3 and click on our placeholder text frame. We've got the image of the image for the pollinators and the predators. That's going in our text frame. That's the placeholder on the left. So we're going to click on that, and then on the text on the image frame on the right. So now we have placed 2 images and 2 articles. Okay, so now we can place the rest of our images. This is also another snippet. So we're going to go to File and Place, and we're going to go down to the snippet 2 and click Open. Okay, so we're going to come up to the top of our bleed line, the bleed lines, and we're going to place the snippet that's going to be the full spread. We're going to click on the upper left corner, we're going to click, and it brings in the rest of our images. Now we can also go ahead and change the placeholder text for our headers. So we're going to click we're going to hit Shift and click or Control on the placeholder text in the green box. We're going to highlight it, and we're going to type in bees and bugs. And we're going to do the same thing for placeholder text in the blue. Hit Shift and Command or Shift Control. I'm highlighting it, and I'm placing and I'm typing gardening tips. And make sure you capitalize T. Okay, so we have created we've created a spread for a newsletter. You've also created a multi-page document. You've learned about parent pages and how to use them. So I would say you have done an awesome job. Thanks.